Magazine presents Chirp's Look and Learn.
How does a tadpole become a frog?
A female frog lays eggs in water. After about 1 week, a tiny tadpole emerges from an egg. It has gills, so it can breathe underwater. It eats algae to help it grow. Yum, yum. After a few weeks, it starts to grow back legs. Soon, it is ready to swim to the surface to eat bugs. Its legs grow stronger and its tail shrinks. It has grown lungs, so it can now breathe air. Hop away, little froggy. Hop, hop, hop.